Forget boring veggies. Let's turn asparagus into crispy, garlicky goodness in under 10 minutes with the air fryer. If you love easy air fryer wins, hit that like and subscribe button. It helps more than you think. First, don't cut the woody ends, snap them. Asparagus breaks naturally right where the tough part ends and the tender part begins. Built-in quality control. Now mix them up with some olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and Parmesan cheese. That's it, simple and flavorful. Lay them in a single layer in your air fryer basket, 400 degrees for 5 to 8 minutes, depending on how thick they are. Mine were perfect in 5 minutes. And look at that. Charred tips, tender stems, perfectly seasoned, way better than steamed. Fast, fresh, and full of flavor. Snap, season, fry, and you're done. Later this week, I've got an air fryer chicken breast and veggie recipe that's gonna blow you away. So hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching Mikey Conquers the Kitchen.